Today we are building a smart speed detection system using NodeMCU and IR sensor. First we look at the components. We need a NodeMCU 8266 microcontroller, two IR obstacle sensor detect the car speed, a red LED light turns on when a car is too fast. Connect IR sensor 1 pin output to D5 node MCU. Connect IR sensor 2 out pin to D6. Connect both sensor VCC to 3.3 ground to ground. Now connect the red LED light and positive leg goes D2, a 220 ohm resistor and a negative leg to GND. When the toy car passes the first IR sensor, we note the time. When it crosses to the second sensor, we note the second time. Using the distance between sensors, the node MCU calculates the speed of a car. As the toy car moves through the sensor 1, then the sensor 2, the speed is calculated in real time. You will see whether the car is slow or a fast, and the red LED light will glow only when a speed goes beyond the safe limit. In conclusion, the simple smart project is perfect for understanding speed detection, time calculation, and IoT sensor logic. You can also expand it by adding buzzer or web dashboard. Thanks for watching.